Hi, today I'm going to show you how to perform an arbitrage on the MATIC or Polygon chain using an Aave Flash Loan. All links will be in the video description, and if you want a little more information about Aave supporting MATIC, it's also going to be in the description. If you need information on what Flash Loans are, that's in the description, etc. Let's start with, so we start at remix.ethereum.org, and we're going to create a new contract. We'll name this maticArbitrage.sol, and the source code will be in the description. I'm going to copy and paste this in. Now, very important, we're going to need to change the compiler version to 0.50 to match right there. Compiles been no problem. This down here doesn't matter. Errors will be shown right here. Now we need to connect our Metamask, which has 181 MATIC in it. So injected Web3. Boom, 181. That's what you're showing right there. So what we do is we're going to hit this drop down for contract, initiate Flash Loan, and we're going to deploy our own token that's going to be a decoy so that Aave can't see that we're using their network to perform an arbitrage. So token name, my token, TOK for example, a loan amount of 10,000. 10,000 is very important because that's where we're getting that's the amount of MATIC we're using to get the returns that you're going to see at the end of the video. So now going to transact to deploy this contract, confirm, boom, it is on the MATIC mainnet now. Now we're going to need to fund this contract with enough gas to be able to arbitrage a loan amount of 10,000 MATIC. And for me, I realize this is about $200 worth of MATIC. I did this over here inside this. So one MATIC right now, I do one MATIC, it's 152. Let's go back, $200. So it's 131 MATIC. So we need to send 131 MATIC to the contract. Send, paste, 131, confirm. Now we're going to initiate the Flash Loan itself. It's right here, and that is whenever we will receive back the amount after the Flash Loan successfully completes. So run Flash Loan, confirm. Now it shouldn't be long, and it shouldn't be long. Shit. Boom. There it is. So 936 MATIC. Not bad. So 936 is $1,400. We went $200 to $1,400, and that's not bad. Like and subscribe if you want more stuff like this, and let me know what you think.